Well, it doesn't really matter. No. But for $768 for the antenna alone, I think about it. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. The static took you out. But I'm going to sign off. It's too much. It's going 20 to 40 dBs static. So the storm is closed. But you take it easy. 73s, Richie. Take care. You're a gentleman. I already forgot your name. You take care. You're up in Maine. So take it easy. 73s. KD2INX.
I'm not in New Jersey.
So you got the storm already. The storm.
I didn't get any storm.
Roger. All right. Well, it's coming this way, so I got to sign off. But let me let you go. Richie, take it easy.
It looks like it's all good.
All right, Bobby, 7-3.
Roger. KD2INX, I'm clear.
See you later, Bobby. Come on back when you can stay a little longer.
I would stay a little longer, just, that was a storm coming.
Oh, man. I'm the kind of guy, I like to live life on the edge. We got the same storm coming. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah. It could be thunder and lightning and rain. Oh, my.
Yeah, but that's why I'm signing off, because I can't hear it. Well, you're coming in far. You're coming at least 50. You know, I have no problem hearing you. But the other guys? No. And I'm only pushing 100 watts. I can imagine how it is the other way.
Well, the other guys are not a broadcast personality. I mean, okay. All right. Well, anyway. All right, Bob. Catch you later. KZ2N.
Roger. 73. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Richie, man, we got some storms coming.
I know, Chris. I see it on the pan adapter. I'm video, man. You're almost 50 over.
Yeah, it's heading our way.
Yeah, the static crashes. It's like last night. I mean, last night it was intense.
Looks like Southern PA right now, but it's heading northeast.
All right, Richie, we're off tomorrow. You damn right, bro. You gotta go to work tomorrow night? No, you're till Tuesday. I won't say that. You know, I'll keep it down, because, you know, voices carry.
Yeah, we're home tomorrow.
I'm feeling pretty good. I'm having some hard seltzer. It's pretty good stuff. Other than that, just enjoying the evening here on AM radio. Man, those static crashes suck though. I agree with Bob. It's starting to get a little much.
Hey, I hear that triples distilled whiskey.
Wait, what are you hearing over there, Mike?
I'm hearing that they are triple distilling whiskey now. So you can drink your whiskey.
He said they're selling whiskey.